Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best immersion blender is probably one of the most versatile kitchen appliances you can own, transforming everyday cooking into a culinary adventure with its powerful motor and attachments. Whether you're whipping up silky smooth soups, creating vibrant smoothies, emulsifying sauces, or even chopping nuts and herbs, this kitchen workhorse streamlines food preparation, saving you precious time and effort. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, making it a joy to use for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike, promising consistent, professional results with every blend. Number 5. MuellerLiving Ultra-Stick Immersion Hand Blender. Tired of lumpy smoothies and uneven batters? Our powerful immersion blender tackles it all, from mixing to frothing, with ease. It comes with detachable accessories to help you create delicious drinks and treats. This versatile tool comes with 3 easy-to-use attachments. Blend smoothies, soups, and baby food with the blending shaft, froth milk for your favorite beverages, or whip cream and batter with the whisk. Experience enhanced power with the turbo mode. Its ergonomic, non-slip grip ensures comfortable handling, while the blade housing is designed to minimize splashes for a cleaner experience. Using it is as simple as attaching your desired tool, plugging it in, and submerging the blade. Adjust the speed to achieve perfect results every time. Refer to the instructions for detailed guidance. Cleanup is a breeze. The blending shaft, whisk, and frother attachments are all dishwasher safe, making maintenance quick and convenient. What we like? This blender boasts a powerful 500W motor and 8 speed settings for efficient blending. It comes with multiple attachments, including a whisk and frother. If you're looking for a versatile tool to handle everyday blending tasks like smoothies, soups, and sauces with ease, this is a great choice. What people say. The Immersion Blender is powerful and blends smoothly. It comes with multiple attachments for different tasks, including a whisk and a chopper. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use. Number 4. KitchenAid Variable Speed Corded Hand Blender KHBV53, Empire Red. Introducing the KitchenAid Variable Speed Corded Hand Blender in Empire Red. It's designed to give you ultimate control over your culinary creations. Its removable 8-inch blending arm features a 4-point stainless steel blade. This quickly blends ingredients for all your favorite smoothies, milkshakes, soups, and dips. Take command of your recipes with the intuitive variable speed trigger switch. Achieve the perfect consistency every time with just a squeeze. Our patented removable pan guard is included to help protect your pots and pans while blending. Enjoy smooth results without worrying about scratches. The 3-cup BPA-free blending jar with a lid is perfect for single servings. You can blend, serve, or store your creations all in one container. This model includes the corded hand blender, a dishwasher-safe blender arm, a blending jar with lid, and the protective pan guard. What we like? This model offers variable speed control for precise blending and features a removable pan guard to protect your cookware. It also includes a handy 3-cup blending jar. If you appreciate fine control over your recipes and want to protect your pots and pans, this is the blender for you. What people say. The Immersion Blender has a powerful motor that easily blends smoothies and purees vegetables. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold and control during use. It comes with multiple attachments, including a whisk and a chopper, making it versatile for various kitchen tasks. Number 3. Mueller Multistick 5-in-1 Immersion Blender. Experience unparalleled blending power with our advanced 4-blade system and a robust 800-watt copper motor. It effortlessly crushes, pulverizes, and blends ingredients for perfectly smooth results and easy cleanup. Achieve perfect consistency with 12 speed settings and a turbo boost function. This versatile tool allows you to create everything from salsas and shakes to baby food with high performance and smooth results. This 5-in-1 appliance goes beyond blending. It includes a whisk, frother, beaker, and a 16 ounces twist and lock chopper, acting as your mini food processor for effortless chopping. Designed for comfort, its ergonomic grip ensures a secure hold. The sleek body fits any bowl or pot, and detachable, dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning a breeze. Enjoy a stable and non-slip base during operation, providing safety and ease of use. Cleanup is simplified with dishwasher-safe components. We stand by our product with a total satisfaction promise. Contact us directly via toll-free number or live chat for any assistance you may need. What we like. With an 800-watt copper motor and 12 speeds plus turbo, this blender offers exceptional power and control. It also includes a 16-ounce chopper attachment for added versatility. If you need a robust blender that can handle tough ingredients and offers a wide range of functions, including chopping, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Immersion Blender is powerful and blends smoothly. It comes with multiple attachments, including a whisk and a chopper, making it very versatile. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 4-in-1 Immersion Blender, 59765. Meet your new kitchen essential. This powerful tool blends, mixes, purees, whips, and chops with ease. Enjoy flexible control with 2 speed settings, perfect for any culinary task. Simplify your cooking and minimize cleanup. Blend and puree ingredients directly in your pot or bowl, dirtying fewer dishes. It's ideal for creating smooth soups, sauces, and purees. Experience effortless blending thanks to its 225 watts of peak power and durable stainless steel blades. It handles everything from pancake batter to smoothies with impressive results. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals. The detachable attachments are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This Immersion Blender comes complete with 3 essential attachments, a stainless steel blending wand, a whisk attachment, and a 3-cup mini food chopper. It's ready for any recipe. What we like. This Immersion Blender features 225 watts of power and allows you to blend directly in your pot, minimizing cleanup. It also comes with a 3-cup chopper. If you value convenience and want to reduce the number of dishes you use, especially for soups and sauces, this blender is ideal. What people say. The Immersion Blender has a powerful motor that easily blends soups and smoothies. The variable speed control allows for precise blending, from pureeing to chopping. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Number 1. Ganiza Immersion Blender 5-in-1. Experience powerful and precise blending with its robust 1000W motor and sharp stainless steel blades. This appliance is built for durability, offering up to 3 times the lifespan of standard models. Achieve perfect results with 16 adjustable speed settings, ideal for everything from smooth purees to frothy beverages. Need extra power? The turbo mode provides an instant boost for tough ingredients. This versatile kitchen tool comes with multiple attachments, including a beaker, whisk, frother, and chopper. Effortlessly blend, whisk, froth, or chop for all your meal prep needs. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to the detachable, dishwasher-safe blending shaft, whisk, and frother. The main unit simply needs a quick wipe to stay clean. With its sleek and ergonomic design, this blender makes a wonderful gift for any cooking enthusiast. It's a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. What we like. This blender is equipped with a powerful 1000W motor and 16 speed settings for ultimate control. Its all-in-one versatility includes a chopper, whisk, and frother. If you're a foodie who loves to experiment in the kitchen and needs a high-performance tool for a wide variety of tasks, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Immersion Blender is powerful and blends smoothly. It comes with multiple attachments for different tasks. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.